Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a very quick kind of makeup look for Diwali, which will be good for people like me who are either sick or have a small kid or don't like too much makeup on or know that they have to work a lot, so their face will sweat and all that. So this one is going to be a real quick one, and sorry if I'm looking sick because I am actually a bit sick today. So I'm going to use a new product today, which is this thing. This is Kaya CC cream, and this is Kaya Complexion Perfector cream. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful, and I have this thing for almost like a week now. And I thought I'll just quickly do a makeup look with it. It will be like a quick video. Sorry, it will be like a quick review come demo of the product on my face. And if I'm not wrong, the cream comes only in one shade, which is like perfect for all skin tones. And initially I was like skeptical because I thought, how come one shade work for all? How can one shade work for all? So we'll try it today on camera and see if it works. So this cream has SPF 25 and it's for all skin types, and it has skin benefits also, which you can see after prolonged use. And initially it kind of claims to even out your skin tone and brightens up the complexion. I have used it once and I really liked it on me. So we are going to give it a shot again on camera and see how good it works. If I look this side, it will be because I have my mirror kept here. So yeah, let's get started. So I have just washed my face and I have no cream, nothing on my no cream, no moisturizer. I just want to see how moisturizing this product is. So the packaging is really beautiful. This is like a sturdy tube. You cannot squeeze it. It's like a plastic bottle kind of thing with a pump. It reminds me of those Asian BB creams. So this is how it looks. I have used only one CC cream in the past, which is this Faces CC cream, and I really like it. And today when I was looking for it, I realized that the bottle has, like, the tube has puffed up, which means the product has either expired or has gone bad or something. So I'm going to throw it away, but just wanted to show you guys that this is the product I have used and loved it. I really like this one and the Color Bar BB cream for me. So yeah, let's give this a shot. So I'll take one pump to start with. This is how it looks. It looks quite white, right? I'm going to use my fingers and apply it. As you can see, it's like quite light for my skin tone. I'm going to apply it only on one side of my face, and so yeah, that's how it looks. So I have used only half a pump maybe on this side, and believe me, I can surely see that it kind of has taken away the dullness. And but you can see from this side, if I compare my face, this side looks like brighter, a lot more even than this side. This side looks quite dull and yellow. So this product can work really well if you are looking for something that can be used fatafat in the morning. This is how the CC cream looks on me. It evens out skin tone to an extent, but it won't work as a foundation or a tinted moisturizer. It kind of moisturizes my skin really nicely without feeling sticky or greasy, and it smells nice. Another new thing that I'm going to try is this. This is not new to me. I mean, I'm using this concealer for almost like 2 weeks now, but I'll be using it for the first time on camera in front of you guys. So this is Shambor Radiant Touch Concealer, and I've been using it quite a lot, sorry. And I'll just quickly apply it under my eyes. Believe me, if I have to go anywhere, and even if I have a lot of time, I don't apply foundation because I don't like the feel of foundation on my face most of the times. So I generally work with a concealer and a CC or BB cream, or most of the times I just generally use compact on my face after concealer, because that's all I need. But if you have like pigmentation issues or blemishes, you can always use spot conceal. I mean, you can always do spot concealing, which will be like applying concealer on the trouble areas or your blemishes, and then applying a powder to set everything in place. So this is how the concealer looks on my eyes. So this is not a full coverage concealer. It's kind of an everyday concealer if you're looking for a product which is like lightweight. However, it has a slight dry texture, so make sure your under eye area is like nicely moisturized, and make sure to blend it quickly because it dries and settles really fast, which is annoying sometimes because yeah. So that's some. For my eyes, I've chosen this Lakme Absolute Drama Stylist Crayon in bronze. This is like a wonderful product. This is a cream eyeshadow crayon that you just have to apply on your eyes, just smudge it and you're good to go. So this is what I'm going to apply next. Applying kajal, and for that I'm using this Bobbi Brown kohl liner. Please excuse this noise because we have these birds on our AC and they are making a lot of noise. So. Now what I'll do, I'll take my bronzer, this one, the Sephora bronzer, and with a simple eyeshadow brush, I'm going to put some bronzer into my crease just to blend the color. This is optional. You can skip this step. Next step is brows. Next step would be like setting my face with a powder, and for that I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Super Fresh 12-hour whitening perfect blah 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 powder. And I'm taking my Real Techniques powder brush, and this is how the compact looks. This is the darkest shade they have, so whether it suits you or not, it will be entirely on your luck. Next step is like applying bronzer, for which I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. I'll take the same brush and this West Side Studio West blush in Plum Shine. This is from their Maya range, and with the same Real Techniques brush, I'm going to apply this. For some glow, I'm going to use this Revlon. This is Revlon highlighting palette in peach, and I'm going to take these top 3 colors. That's how. Last thing is your lips. I'm going to wear this new shade from L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Range. This is Coco Rico, and I really like the color. It's a beautiful matte red. This is how. This is how the color looks. It's really pretty. But I'm going to outline my lips with this MAC lip pencil in cherry. So this is how my under 10 minutes makeup look. I completely forgot to do my eyelashes, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Miss Mega mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The whole idea behind doing this look was like was creating a makeup look which is like easy to do, and even it's easier for even those who don't do makeup on everyday basis. So I have used products that are easily available, plus that are quite easy to use, and I hope you guys find this makeup look or this video helpful. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.